and today I'm doing my full review on the two products that Beauty Bulletin sent me. They were the Sheer Blonde High Impact range, which were promised to add vibrancy to overprocessed blonde hair, which is what I've got. So my overall impression of the products are that they've worked really well. I've been using them for about a week now, and I can definitely see vibrance back in my hair. I can see my hair feels like it has more volume, and it doesn't have split ends, and so many people have commented about my hair that it's just got a really beautiful shine. The blonde looks amazing. It doesn't have a yellow tinge to it, and I'm really impressed. I'll definitely be rebuying these products once I finish them and continue using them. I think John Frieda is a fantastic range. It's an international brand from the UK, and I'm really happy to see they're launching so many more products. I'm excited to see what comes next from them. So overall, big thumbs up, and go and buy the products. If you're a blonde, this is what you need in your life. Thanks guys, have a fantastic day.